In this video, we're going to go ahead and replace our trunk light located right up here underneath our rear deck lid. On the inside of your trunk, there's going to be this little bulb right here. This is our trunk light. I want to go ahead and we're going to remove this whole unit. So we're going to press in on the little spring tabs, pop this whole unit out like so. I want to disconnect this harness right here. You can use a pocket screwdriver or your fingertip. You can pop that out and you're going to remove this unit like so. I want to go ahead and remove the bulb from our unit here. So we're going to pull out on this little spring tab here and open up this little cage. And this exposes our bulb. I'm going to use my little pocket screwdriver to get up underneath here and gently pry the bulb up and out, and there's the bulb right there. I'm going to take your bulb, line that up, and pop that right in. Press that in, feel that bottom out. You can go ahead and close this cage, and the little tab right there is going to lock in, snap into place like so. Now we'll go ahead and take this unit here. I'm going to line up our harness with this right here. Press it in, and you hear it and feel it lock into place. Let's go ahead and feed this back up and in. And press it up and you'll feel it and hear it lock into place. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.